नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आर एन बायोलॉजी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आपले स्वागत आहे. आज 7 एप्रिल 2024 रोजी झालेला महाराष्ट्र सेट एक्झाम या एक्झाममधील आपण आज आन्सर की पाहणार आहोत. तर मित्रांनो, लाईफ सायन्स या विषयासाठी जेवढे विद्यार्थ्यांनी सेट एक्झाम दिलेली आहे त्यांचे आपण आज आन्सर की पाहणार आहोत. यामधील मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर हे करेक्ट असतील, तर काही काही क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर आपले थोडेसे कन्फ्यूज मध्ये असू शकतात. ओके, तर मित्रांनो मॅक्झिमम आन्सरचे क्वेश्चन हे करेक्ट असणार आहेत. तर चला मग आज आपण पाहणार आहोत लाईफ सायन्स या विषयाची सेट एक्झामची आन्सर की. तर सर्वप्रथम आपण यामध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Hydrogen bonds are present in water structure. Presence of hydrogen bonds gives a characteristics property to water, which is the correct option is the A, high melting and high boiling points. The next question is the which of the following membrane associated process involved in the step of Catherine coated vesicles formation during its mechanisms? The correct option is the C, receptor mediated endocytosis. तर मित्रांनो आपण फक्त त्यांचे करेक्ट ऑप्शन तेवढेच घेणार आहोत, कारण का आपल्याकडे वेळ खूप कमी आहे आणि खूप जास्त क्वेश्चन आपल्याला सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत. त्यानुसार आपण काय करणार आहोत, फक्त त्यांचे करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहेत ना तेवढेच आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण घेणार आहोत. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ सेल theory? The correct option is the D. Cell in a multicellular organisms are derived from the non-cells. The next question is the 4. Assembly of cytoplasmic microtubules from the tubulin dimer is inhibited if the cell is treated with. Their correct option is the option number C. The answer is colchicines. The next question is 5. The prokaryotic may be characterized by. The correct option is the C, absence of membrane surrounding organelles. The next question is the 6th number question. The following are the characteristics of which type of the transposable elements? Simplest transposable element found in bacteria that encode transpose with less than 5 kb size and with terminal inverted repeat that can transfer DNA directly is. The correct option is the C, SI elements. The next question number is 7. The first chromosomal linkage map for 5 genes on the X chromosomes of Drosophila was constructed by. The scientist name is, correct option is C, AH. The next question is 8. A chromosomal site at which a group of genes affecting quantitative traits are located is called as. The correct option is B, quantitative trait locus. The next question is 9. In prion disease, classically the correct option is D, brain becomes sponge like. The 10 number questions. Which one of the following is not a diversity index of living organisms? The correct option is the D, MPN index. The 11 questions. Articulations of both the jaw with skull is termed as jaw suspensions. One of the following type is observed in the tallest fishes. The correct option is D, hyostilic is the correct options. The question number 12. In the representative of the order Castoda, the mature proglotid gets separated from the main body is a process known as. The correct option is the B, apolysis. The question number 13. Taxonomic hierarchy refers to. The correct option is the D, stepwise arrangement of the all category for classifications of the animals and plants. The question number 14. Mycoplasma, rickettsia and chlamydia are. The correct option is the B, small bacteria. The next question is 15. When biological oxygen demand become very high, the correct option is the C, the water becomes anaerobic. Question number 16. Which one of the following extraembryonic membrane found as unique features in the terrestrial vertebrates only? The correct option is the B, chorions. The 17 number questions. Since humans are having such a notable impact on the earth and its life, a, a new youngest epoch of the quaternary period is termed as, the correct option is the A, Holocene. Oh, next question is 18. What largest bacterium more than 600 micrometer size is known as inhabit the guts of the Acantharus nigrofucus? The correct option is the Epulopicus phycelsoni. The next one is the question is 19. Heliophytes are the plants. Correct option is the B, growing under the direct sunlights. 20. The largest carbon sink of the earth is a ocean. Next, 21 questions. Nomenclature is governed by the certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? The option number C is correct. Biological names can be written in any language. Uh, 22 questions. Which among the following is functionally more diverse? So protein is the more diverse. River blindness disease occurs due to the Onchocerca volvulus. Question number 24. Cry-do-chat syndromes is caused due to which one of the following? The option A is correct. Deletion of short arm chromosome number 5. 25 questions. If the genotype of the husband and a wife are IA, IB, how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible among the blood types of their children? The correct option is the C, 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. The 26 questions. The maternal characteristics are inherited through the cytoplasmic inheritance. Also, one of the following organelles is involved in. The correct option is A, mitochondria. 27 questions. Trisomy of chromosomes number 21 is. It is a very simple question. The correct option is the C, Down syndromes. The next 28 questions. Uh, a bacterial strain that is lysine, histidine, valine is used as a donor, and another strain that is the lysine, histidine, valine as the recipient for the setting up an experiment on the transformations. Initial transformant were isolated on the minimal medium with supplemented with lysine and valine. Which one of the following maximum genotypes will grow on this medium? तर कोणता genotypes medium वरती grow होईल मग? The option A is correct. Lysine, histidine, valine, lysine, histidine, valine, lysine, histidine, valine, lysine, histidine, valine. A option is correct. The question number 29. In addition to serving as the building block of nucleic acids, nucleotides have many functions. Which one of the following is not a function of nucleotides? The correct option is the D. They provide electron to the electron transfer chain. It is a wrong option and it is a correct option. Option number D. Question number 30. A DNA sample contains 30% adenine on molar basis. What will be the percentage of cytosine? The correct option. It is again very simple questions. The correct option is the B, 20%. Which one of the following would contribute? Which of the following would contribute to intrinsic fluorescence in a protein? It is once again simple questions. The correct option is the aromatic amino acid. Question number 32. The scrave signs of DNA can be right-handed or left-handed. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the scrave signs of the A, B, and Z type of DNA? The correct option is the B, A and B, both right-handed DNA. The next question is 33. Which chiral angle in the peptide backbone does not undergo rotations? Option number C, chi, X chi. Efficiency of enzymes can be better measured in terms of option number D, K cat upon Km. Question number 35. What is the resultant pH of the phosphate buffer made by the mixing 0.2 molar sodium NaH2PO4 and 0.2 molar Na2HPO4 monomers dibaseचा जो असेल ते pKa is equal to 6.86. The correct option is the 6.86B. Question number 36. A protein mixtures contain three polypeptide A, B, and C, whose masses are 63, 28, and 79 Dalton, with pi value of 6.5, 7.0, and 8.0 respectively, were subjected to standard reducing SDS page. The order of their separations from top to bottom would be. What will be happen? Option number D is a correct. C, A, and B is a correct. Sorry, it's a their order. 37. Question number 37. A geographically variable species often divided into many subspecies is referred to as. The correct option is the D, polytypic species. The next question number is 38. First fossils record of vascular plants appeared in the Dadash period. The first fossils appear in the Silurian period. Option A is correct. The next question number is 39. Inclusive fitness refers to. The option number C is correct. Reproductive success of an individuals along with its relative reproductive success. The next question number 40. In a classical experiment, a standard is used to सिंपल है स्टैंडर्ड किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है तो इट इज अ कंपेयर्ड एंड eliminated non-specific background noise and record the non-specific error in the experiment. Both are correct. दोन्ही आपण नियर अबाउट करेक्ट म्हणू शकतो. The question number 41. Why sexual selections can lead to extreme phenotype? Because the extreme phenotypes incurs lower cost than the main traits in the populations. The correct answer. Question number 42. Sarich and Wilson's 1967 demonstrated that human, gorilla, and chimpanzee were genetically equidistant and distinct for organoton, and the divergence time is approximately 3 million option number C is correct. 10 million years ago. Question number 43. Beakers A has 10 ml of some fluid at 80 degrees Celsius. Beaker B contains the same fluid 200 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. If both the fluid are mixed, what would be the temperature of the resultant mixtures? Option number C is correct. 40 degrees Celsius. With the advent of remote sensing and geographical information system, the city planner have begun to use the Indian satellite data. Which one of the following satellites data are useful for such a ticks? So option number A is correct. Cartosat. The question number 45. Which one of the following statements is not true about phase contract microscopy? The option number D is not true. It uses laser light to obtain focal level sections through a specimens. The next question number is 46. What will be the radioactivity of the 125I labeled 2MCI thyroxines after the four generations? T half is equal to 60 days. The correct option is the B, 0.125 MCI. The question number 47. Among the different type of phytoremediations, dash is the process in which plants limits contaminated soil movement and migrations. So option first option is correct. Phytostabilizations. Question number 48. Which of the following proteins help to maintain and stabilize protein tertiary structures during the temperature stress in plants? The correct option is the C. Late embryogenesis abundant Lia proteins. The question number 49. Enzymes labeled antibodies are not generally used for which of the following techniques? PEX techniques not used for. The option C is the correct. Question number 50. In watermelon, to induce seedlessness is triploid populations. Which of the following strategy is useful? The option number D is correct. Cross tetraploid with diploid to produce the triploids. The question number 51. Amplifications of DNA fragments by PLR requires primer. Which of the following statements are correct for primers? The correct option is the first and second. Or correct option is the C. The question number 52. When subcultured into the fresh medium, a bacterium grow with a lag phase of 2 hours followed by the log phase and stationary phase. If the bacterium was treated with ethidium bromides for 3 hours in all the phases of growth to cure a plasmid, it is more likely to lose the plasmids in. So correct option is the C, logarithmic phase. Question number 53. The pre-hydroxyl groups present on either end of the chemically synthesized oligonucleotides are 5' phosphorylated with ATP by the enzymes. So correct option is D, polynucleotide kinase. The question number 54. Which of the following is not a fluorophore? So option number B, acrylamide is the correct answers. Question number 55. Which of the following best describes principle of Western blotting techniques? The correct option is the D. It is the immunoassay techniques processed by the electrophoresis. Question number 56. Which of the following is resulted due to photorespiration reactions catalyzed by oxygenase activity of rubisco? The correct option is the D. 3-phosphoglycerate and 2-phosphoglycolate is the correct options. Question number 57. Mutation in ACC synthase enzymes will inhibit the synthesis of option C, ethylene. Question number 58. Which of the following phytochromes accumulate during the systemic acquired resistance are in the plants? It is a very again simple questions. The correct option is the salicylic acid. Question number 59. The hormone auxin was first discovered in. It's again easy questions. The correct answer is a oat. How many times more energy gained in aerobic respirations over anaerobic respirations? Correct option is the 18. Question number 61. Which of the following is not involved in electron transport during photosystem first and second? The correct option is D, cytochrome oxidase. The question number 62. The treatment of abscisic acid is associated with. It is associated with closure of stomata. Option number C. Question number 63. Action potential of generated due to. It is again simple questions. Influx of sodium and efflux of potassium. Option number A is the correct. Question number 64. Hookworm infections can lead to deficiency of. It is a deficiency of iron. Question number 65. What kind of microbes grow best at higher CO2 tensions, approximately 10%, than are normally present in the atmospheres? Option first is correct. microaerophilic microorganisms. Question number 66. Which free-living microorganisms occupy a niche to feed primarily on organic detritus from the dead organisms and unable to adapt to the body of live host? The correct option is the obligate saprobic microorganisms. The question number 67. The DNA of each chromosomes occupy a defined value of the nucleus and only overlap with its immediate neighbors is called as. The correct option is the chromosome territories. Chromosome territories. Next question number is the 68. Amphibians contain 30x more DNA than the human beings. However, human beings are more complex than the amphibians. This lack of correlation is called as the C-value paradox. It is again simple questions. Question number 69. Which of the following which one of the following is not true in relations to eukaryotic genes expressions? Uh, it may be answer D is a correct. All three polymerases contain beta, alpha, and subunits, omega subunits. It may be. Question number 70. The triple helix domain of collagens consists of repeat of the XYZ amino acids. The amino acid present at X positions is required in a very 30 positions in order for the polypeptide chain. The correct option is the D, glycine. Which DNA, question number 71, which DNA binding domain is present in steroid hormone receptor family of the ligand inducible transcriptions factor? The correct option is the B, zinc fingers motif. Question number 72. Which of the following elongations factor is called as the translocase? The correct option is the elongation factor G. Question number 73. Which of the following post-translation modification is not related with epigenetic regulations? The correct option is number C, ubiquitinations. The question number 74. The disease which arises because of aberrant splicing is, त्यासाठी कोणता स्प्लायसिंग त्यामध्ये होते सॉरी डिसीज होतो त्यामध्ये हंटिंग्टन डिसीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द हंटिंग्टन डिसीज. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. Identify the enzymes involved in DNA replications for their functions. मॅच करायचे आपल्याला डीएनए पॉलिमरेज आणि खाली दिलेल्या ऑप्शन्स वरती. द करेक्ट मॅच होतो ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 76. दोन स्टेटमेंट्स दिलेले आहेत यामध्ये. त्यातला आपल्याला करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स घ्यायचे. स्टेटमेंट 1 and सेकंड. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट. The 3' to 5' exonuclease activity of the eukaryotic DNA polymerase operates in reverse directions of DNA synthesis and participate in fidelity of replication. It is one first options, and second option is the ability of DNA polymerase to extend a primer only in 5' to 3' directions appear to make replications a complicated process. It is necessary for proofreading of duplicated DNA. The correct option is the A. First, the option first is correct, and statement second is the wrong. Option first A is the correct. Question number 77. Which of the following is a wrong statement in source repair system? DNA repair system मधला source repair system साठी कोणता wrong आहे तर lex A show reparations for rec A is a wrong answer, and it is a B option is a correct. Question number 78. Which of the following statements about apoptosis is false? क्या wrong है apoptosis के बारे में? So correct option is the C. Cell contents are leaked. The question number 79. Which of the following signaling molecules play a key role in the patterning of neural tube along its anterior posterior axis? The genes is the option number A is the correct. WNT414 genes. The question number the question number 18, sorry 80. The question number 80. If you compare the B cells epitope against T cells epitopes, the correct answer, correct option is a B. B cell epitopes are based more on nature conformations of protein antigens. Question number 81. Mark the correct statement for antigenicity of molecules. The correct option B. Antigenicity refers to the binding ability of antibody to its antigens. Question number 82. Which of the following molecules act as a general adhesive connecting one cell to another and cell to another substrate? The correct option is A. Fibronectin. 83. Question number 83. The formation and migration of epiblast as a set of cells during the gastrulations in zebrafish required the expression of, correct option is a D. E. Catherines. Question number 84. Which of the following groups of transcription factor is responsible for maintaining the pluripotency of the stem cells? Correct option is the B. OCT4, nanos, and SOX2. These genes are responsible for the pluripotency. Question number 85. Narcinia pestis is the causative agents for, it is a simple questions, option number D, plagues. Question number 86. Pseudohermaphroditism. It is a condition in which the individual is insensitive to, correct option is the androgens. Question number 87. In plants, when the apical cell of the two-cell pro-embryo divides longitudinally and further, the basal cells play only a minor role or none in the development of the embryo proper, then the embryo is dash type. The correct option is C. Solanad. The next question is 88. Which of the following is necessary for the development of epididymis in mammals? Epididymis which are directly related to the testes. And the correct option is the dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone. Question number 89. The mid-blastula transition is the point in the development when dash dash. The correct option is the D. Transcriptions of zygotic genes begin. Question number 90. In the chick limb, the signal for the condensations of mesenchymal cells to give rise to cartilage comes from the appearance of, the correct option is the A. N. caderins. Question number 91. Which of the following is not a property of stem cells? The correct answer is the option number C. They are unspecialized cell with cell markers. Question number 92. Which of the following proteins act as the death receptor that triggers the extrinsic pathway of apoptosis? The FAS is the apoptosis pathway. Correct option is the C. Question number 93. With reference to normal ECG, the T wave is, okay, T wave is, correct option is the B, caused by repolarizations of apex and outer surface of the ventricles. The next questions is 94 questions. Increased muscles activity will increase generations of lactic acid In these conditions, blood coming from the lungs to the muscles would shows the correct option is the A, increased O2 release from the hemoglobin. The question number 95, the capacity of vertebrates kidney and produce hypertonic urine in a functions of. It is the functions responsible by the option number C is the correct, the loop of Henle. The question number 96, for long distance runner, the muscles needs increased O2 supply at the muscles. This is formed by, the correct option is the D, increased accumulation of the lactic acid causing the demand blood pH. The question number 97, which of the following heat shock proteins has both protein folding and degradation activity? Okay, it is again simple questions. The correct answer is the HSP, heat shocks protein 70 is the correct. B option is the correct. Question number 98. The sequential order of various stage of fermentations process are. It is the order sequence. Option number C is the correct. Inoculations, fermentations, downstream processing, and removal of waste. Next and last questions is 99. Second last question is 99. Match the following product process to the microorganisms involved. ओके या दोघांचे मॅच केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो आहे तो डी निघून येतो. यामधले सगळे यामध्ये मॅच होतात. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज जीन फायटोइन्स desaturates was obtained from Arvenia Uridovera. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channels are in biology.